Hi, good evening, everyone. Jeremy here from Quant Strategic Singapore. Time is at midnight, actually, on the 9th of November 2020. So it's about 6 hours to the futures that will be opening on Monday. And the US markets has shown a lot of action over the past week due to the elections. And you can see the charts that I have in front of you is the 4 hourly, daily, monthly, as well as the weekly charts. So I'm going to start off with the monthly charts as a reminder to the long-term trend of the SPX. And the SPX currently made a high of 3,647 points. And it looks like we have, on a monthly basis, now turned pretty bullish, and we will be able to test 3647, assuming all the short term indicators remain bullish as they are ever since Biden was elected as president. And on the weekly chart, it's the same action, uptrend long term since the buy signal was issued on the 25th of May. The projected uptrend has still remained intact, and you can also see a engulfing weekly green bar that has closed at 3517 on the close of trading day on Friday last week. And zooming down to the shorter term time frames, whereby our overall target will be 3647 eventually, which are the all-time highs, and also the super trend line on the monthly charts. For the daily charts, you can see that although we had a short signal issued on the 28th of October, just before the elections, we have managed to make a low at 3233 and immediately bounce back all the way up to the top. And in the process, issuing a long signal, breaking the super trend line at 3471, going long on the short term charts for the daily charts. All right. So, some scenarios that you may watch out for: price action may pull back to the SSA line on the cloud. All right. That is one scenario, or continue its trajectory upwards towards 3674 as projected on the monthly charts and monthly targets. So we can actually take note of that and see what will play out. And a little bit more visibility is what we will use and follow on the 4 hourly charts. And on the 4 hourly charts, as you can see, we had a buy signal issued on the 3rd of November 2020 at a level of 3351. So for those of you who are making swing trades, we usually use a lower reference point rather than the daily charts. I use personally the 4 hour charts to give me the buy signals. And this long signal was given on the 3rd of November 2020, and the long signal was at 3351. And we have progressed fairly well from the 3rd of November all the way to market close on Friday. Throughout the vote counting as well as the confirmation of Biden being in the office, we have actually moved from 3351 to close at 3517, giving almost a 180 point upswing on the S&P 500, which was a pretty pretty surprising to all traders out there. So the bottom line is this. The action that we'll be looking for next week is whether this level will hold and continue its projection towards 3674, all-time highs and beyond, or a pullback to this level at 3400. So 3400 could be a pullback in the short-term basis, and perhaps an extension and a continuation of the uptrend. All right. The other scenario is that it breaks 3,400, then we might hit down and test the B line on the cloud on the 4 hour. So we have to watch the action next week. I expect it to be quite volatile because Biden, though he is president elect, but Trump seems to want to fight the results that have come in last week. All right. So just as a recap, upside target, we have 3674 to the upside. Second scenario is a test of 3,400 or a break of 3,400 heading towards the base of the SSB line, which is a bearish scenario. All right, so very, very much action to follow up from Monday to Friday, and I'll keep you updated in my next video. Thanks for watching.